All right, we're here in my room in the back and it gets cold in here. We're at 69 degrees in Fahrenheit. So we're gonna put this heater here that we see here. This heater is gonna warm me up because we actually are getting a little cold here. It's getting chilly at night. There's a couple of things you should know. Now, this is a swivel button. This actually rotates in two different directions. You got a timer here, different tones, power, plus and minus. Very simple. So right now we're gonna turn it up. If you want, you can use this as a fan. You don't have to use it as a heater. We're on a carpet. There's actually, it saves a lot of energy. This one, pretty sufficient. You could use the fan only. Like I said, different modes. And you do have a filter in the back that you need to be aware of, that you need to clean it out because it's going to have suck a lot of air in. It has a handle on the top. It has a tilt mechanism, so if it tilts over, it turns off. Very simple to use. We're actually going to use it today and heat up this room here. So let's go ahead and do that. Overheating protection. It has the overheating protection, temperature sensors, very quiet. Like I said, the tipped over protection, and it could heat up in 3 seconds. So let's put it to use. We're going to turn it on right now. I'm going to say power on. And right now we're at 68. We're going to set it up at hotter than that. So we're going to go the opposite way, 90. Then we'll go from there. We're going to go to maybe 83 or 80. It's already warm. 3 seconds, it is 3 seconds. So you guys can see the light turning on. And I'm standing about maybe a foot away from it, but it is getting hot. So we're going to run it for a couple of seconds. We might put a timer too. We can put a timer. We can put an hour. So we're going to run it for maybe an hour. And there it goes. So running it for an hour. There you go. We set it up for an hour. Just hit the hour again. And it's going to go. And you see the little light. It tells you there. So swivel. Let's hit the swivel button. I can feel it everywhere here. It's warming up the place. You can feel the room. Actually, let me show you guys the temperature on the room now. Look at that. 69 from 69, now we're 71. And big difference this thing is making just in a couple seconds right now. So we're gonna let it run for a couple minutes, heat up the room. All right, this room started at 69 degrees. We're at 75. We set it for an hour. It's gonna turn off. It's going left and right. We set it up to swing. This is great for a gift. If you work in an office and it's pretty cold, you can set this up too. It's pretty awesome little size that it comes with. It's not too large, not too big. It's just perfect, but it's actually warming up this entire room. This is a great gift. Or if you have no heater at home, this is another way to do it. It's pretty safe, very convenient. I'm gonna have to turn it off because we're already at 77. So that's 3 degrees less than what we wanted, 80, but it's working. So it's time to turn it off. Turning it off has to cool down. If you guys see, there's a cool down button. I hit the off button. It says do not cover here. Right there where you see the blue button, instead of red, it turns blue. And we just wait for a couple seconds and then it turns off. So simple to use, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.